Yo, what's good, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. Tired of the same old look? Ready to switch things up and level up your style game? Well, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving deep into the world of super cool braid hairstyles for men. We are talking fresh, we are talking bold, we are talking about a look that guaranteed to turn heads. From classic box braids to intricate cornrows, there is a braid style out there for every guy. Thinking about a man born with braids on the side, or maybe some simple two-strand twists? Braids aren't just a hairstyle, they are a statement. They are versatile, easy to maintain once they are in, and they let you show off your personality. We have got a whole gallery of ideas to get your inspiration flowing. So get ready to screenshot some cool hairstyle. Now, let's talk about keeping that fresh look. Well, fresh. Okay, first up, moisture is your best friend. Use a leave-in conditioner or a light oil spray like argan or jojoba oil to keep your scalp and hair from drying out. And don't forget to protect your braids while you sleep. A satin or silk durag or bonnet is a must-have to prevent frizz and keep those edges laid. It's all about protecting your investment, fellas. Now, here is a pro tip. Don't overwash your hair. Washing too frequently can cause your braids to get frizzy and lose their shape. Stick to a gentle cleansing routine every 1 to 2 weeks. You can use a diluted shampoo and focus on your scalp. Also, avoid tight styles that pull on your hairline. Protecting your edges is key to healthy hair in the long run. So there you have it. Your inspiration to rocking and caring for the coolest braid hairstyles out there. Whether you are a first-timer or a seasoned pro, braids are a timeless style that never goes out of fashion. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more dope content, and drop a comment below with your favorite braid style.